Hi there, I'm Katie from One Room Education. And whether you're teaching a kindergartner, a high schooler, or brushing up yourself as a lifelong learner, I'm here to walk you through how to get the most out of this lesson. Each resource we provide is designed to support a variety of learning styles and help you create a customized educational experience that actually works for your student. Let's start with the review sheet. These questions can be used in so many different ways. As a pre-lesson check, as a worksheet, as a quiz or comprehension check, as discussion prompts, or even as essay or research assignments for older students. You can pick and choose, or mix it up every time. Next up is the Fast Fact Sheet. This is your go-to tool for both lesson prep and student support. Use it as a quick teacher guide. Offer it to students who need help staying on track. Cut it into flashcards for games, memorization, or even topic assignments. It's flexible and ready to meet your needs, whatever they are. The coloring page isn't just a fun extra. It's a powerful tool for visual and tactile learners, students with ADHD or autism, and anyone who learns best with their hands. Parents and teachers join in too. Coloring together builds connection and sparks conversation. You can even start a coloring gallery to show how each person interpreted the lesson and sees the world. Whether you use one tool or all of them, the goal is the same: to build a learning experience that supports your students' strengths and helps them grow in understanding, confidence, and independence. These tools are meant to work together and scale from elementary through college-level enrichment. Get creative, and remember, you know your learner best. We're just here to help you feel empowered along the way. You've got this, and we've got your back. We'll see you in the next lesson.